All right, we're at Atrium at Sugar Creek with the 1980 Classic Dover Traditional. We're gonna call it down. Heard it coming. Look at this beautiful building. And here it is. Fan is on, so you're not able to hear the motor well. Look in the mirror. Hi. We're gonna go to 2. Pooja running along today. I'm gonna get a caveat up here, then watch the numbers going down. It's just your standard 1980 vintage Dover. There's Pooja right there. All right, let's go down to the parking level. Here's your indicator. One's burned out. Yep, one's definitely burned out. Alright, if you don't mind, do me a favor to send it up to the 2nd floor. Here's a listen to the machine room. I believe it's locked. Yep, it's locked, which is good. Hear the relays? Did you bring it back down?
I can bring it back down, yes.
Yes. I think someone's using it.
Okay.
Relay. That is a dry powered pump.
Oh, wow.
All right, let's go back up. This is definitely relay control. I just heard the relays clicking. Watch the button go out. Here's your EDA phone. What did you think of that?
That was really cool.
It sure was. This building is worth coming in for.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's watch it close up. There it goes. And that's it.